In this demo, let's look at a sample dataset which has a tree structure and demonstrate how to build a tree map on columns. So let's go to exploring. Here we have some shared public data. One of the data is tree map. So you can directly go to visualize it, or let's look at the data samples first. As you can see, we have a name, which is the identifier for each record. And every single one has its own parent. This is by name. And the rest of the things is just a value. So let's go to visualize it. So after we loading it into the composer, we can see that it's generated the first query for us, which is scattered correlation. It's not very useful. In this case, let's just go ahead to choose parent and name as the dimensions. You can keep values, so we can keep values on account and starting to build a tree. Just click tree. As you can see, by default, this is a tree, normal tree we generated. Like root is in the center, and the parent field and ID field are all specified here. So let's just go ahead to specify single metric, let's say, and then go to tree to ID is name, parent field is parent, and display label current name. Right. So this is a normal tree we built, and as you can see, layout we can easily choose map. But this one generated the interactive map for you. So for example, currently there is a layer 1 graph. If we want to dive into that, we can just click, and under graph you will see the rest of the items. There's no data under linked list scans. Let's just reset to root, and we can basically build this kind of interactive tree map. I also want to make this color a little bit more. Okay, maybe this is my palette. So yeah, so then we can just go ahead and save it. Before that, I want to put some quick statistics. So let's just leave some space and drop a metric summary here. So now let's save it. And we have this tree map, which is for sure interactive. And then we can share it. I just make it public so everybody can access it. Get the link. This is the tree map. Okay. Hope you learned how to make a tree map.